Hello everybody, this is Jacob Rakowski. I just wanted to say how proud I am of everybody I see doing their mixers, having their OG fun days with all their teams. Steve and Sarah had a barbecue with their team who ordered from the 1st to the 5th. Amazing job. Big shout out to everybody. There's too many to name of those of you that are doing mixers, and guess what that does for everybody else? It motivates us to want to go do our mixers and go out there and share the love and share the activity. And just you posting that picture fires so many people up. I saw Pete post some stuff. I saw Toronto, which is, by the way, on fire. So many cool things. But I wanted to share with you guys really quick how you can create momentum in your personal activity and get really great results while doing it. Hey, keep pressing that like button because I'm fired up by each of you guys pressing that button. So anyways, really quickly, yeah, keep it going. Keep that L button coming. Keep that like button coming. I love it. I love it. It's really firing me up. Okay. And welcome everybody else who's getting on here. Yeah, keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. So anyways, really quick, one quick thing. In order to stimulate your own personal activity, what I'd recommend you do is make a list of places you need to go, things you need to do, errands you need to run, and then go do them and keep your eyes peeled. Oh, by the way, check out this beautiful site. This is gorgeous, and you all deserve to be here. In fact, if you booked a flight here right now, we would host you. I got a guest bedroom available for you to stay in if any of you guys want to fly in and enjoy this beautiful 73-degree weather, 81-degree pool. It's just unbelievable. Anyways, make a list of the places you need to go. For example, you need to go get groceries, you need to go get gas, you need to go to the mall and buy somebody a birthday present, a Mother's Day present, a Father's Day present. You need to go get a massage, you need to go get your nails done, you need to go out and go to eat, you need to do something, and just go meet people while you are out. So today I was at church. Yeah, come on, bring it on. Move to Texas. We'd love to have you. Tina, I basically went to church this morning, and there was a really, really kind woman sitting behind me. So after the service, I started speaking with her, and she was so nice. She was so kind. She was sharing her story with me, and I just said, you know what? I have a gift for you. I'd love to give you some of the world's healthiest coffee. Gave it to her, and she said, oh my gosh, I'm in insurance, blah, 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 blah. Showed her the photo of the guy who lost, which, by the way, is on our team, Taylor, moved from a size 38 to a size 32, and she said, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can't drink normal coffee. And I said, no problem, you can drink this. So she's fired up about that, got her information, added her on Facebook, blah, 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 blah. As I'm leaving, I said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and go to Whole Foods. I'm going to go to Whole Foods. I'm going to get some stuff. And while I was in there, it would have been very easy for me to just sit there and say, you know what? It's Sunday. I'm chilling. I just had a church time. I feel like relaxing, but I was walking past one of those guys that has a little protein, and they sample it, and they give you a little sample of it, and you say, oh, wow, this is so good. Let me try some. I said, wow, this looks really good. Give me a sample of it. He said, absolutely. Gave me some. I said, how long have you been doing this? Is this sales? Do you like it? What else do you do? Blah, 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 blah. Well, look, my business partner, Dr. Bob Rakowski, or Dr. Bob, because my last name is Rakowski, I said Dr. Bob actually owns a business where he helps people, young like yourself, start a business where you can travel, you can pick your schedule, and you can make a six-figure income. I'm just kind of helping him out in the area. I don't know if he has any positions for you, but man, I had to make an offer to you because you are just so good at what you do. Complimented him, gave him the role, all that stuff. And he said, yeah, absolutely. I'd love to know more about that. I said, what's your schedule like in the evenings? He said, I'm free here and there, blah, 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 blah. Normally I'm busy at 7. I said, could you reshuffle your schedule? It's really all we have. And he said, yeah, I could probably do that. He's coming to the mixer Tuesday. The other day I was at Kroger. Some lady that I've known for literally like 20 years, went to church with me and my family 20 years ago. I sampled her some coffee, texted her the next day. Immediately, she said, give me 2 boxes. She's already signed up as a preferred customer. She's got 2 boxes on auto ship. And finally, as I was checking out, a guy I've sampled already was at the checker, and he said, oh, the coffee was, I sampled him before, and he said, oh, the coffee was great, but normally I can't have coffee because it's bad for me. I said, look, this is the healthiest coffee in the world. It'll help you. And in fact, it's normally $35, but right now we have a program going on where you can get it for $20 a box. And he said, no way. I said, yeah. Do you want more information on that? He said, that might be worth it since it's only $20 a box. And I said, okay, great. So I'm going to follow up with him. And my point to you guys is none of that would have happened if I would have been not out. I'm not saying you need to spend, 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. out meeting people, because, there's time to work on yourself, follow up, do presentations, meet with your team, have a mixer, blah, 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 blah. But when you're out, make it productive, okay? And here's how you actually increase your own personal production and increase your results. You expect good things to happen. I walked out there in belief and faith, knowing, expecting that something good was going to happen for me. I was in a very relaxed mood. I wasn't like, this is OG, pop, and just like hit people in the face. But I was genuine, I was excited, I was connected, I was interested in them, I was relaxed, my energy wasn't overbearing, and I just said, hey, let's go ahead and share something amazing with you. Not, hey, you need this, boom, 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 like, take my thing. No, I expected good things to happen. I led conversations in the way that they could happen well, and they did happen well. One day, I want to have a hidden camera of me out there speaking with people. I don't know how that would be possible. Maybe I need like an eyelash camera or something like right here, where I can just be like, so, do you or anybody and just start, but no, that probably wouldn't be realistic. But anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Hope everybody is rocking it. I'm so proud of everybody. Keep up the good work. I'll see you all on the Millionaire Mentorship call tonight. If you haven't booked a mixer this week, book one for this week. It's time to take action. April is closing. May is here. Let's make this the biggest month ever. Keep it OG, everybody. God bless.